presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Edge Limited. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable transmission. This Ford has less than 211,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.